Okay. Yesterday we were discussing about come to class. Offline people. Yesterday we are discussing different screens available in while creating the object. How many screens we get? Four screens.
One screen, sir.
How many sections we have? How many sections? Online people, how many sections?
7 main sections.
What are those 7 sections? First one is not by seeing. Without seeing, you have to tell. Custom object information. Second, record name label.
Sir, I can't see your screen. Sir.
Format. Third one.
Optional features.
Fourth one.
Object classification.
Object classification.
Fifth one.
Deployment section.
Deployment section.
Sixth one.
Search
Search
status.
status.
Seventh one.
Object creation options.
option.
So you have to remember those, because if you remember that, you are understanding functionality of Salesforce. Some things we have to remember. Now there is nothing to understand inside that
Screen
section.
we can't see, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, screen,
Yes.
screen. The online screen is not visible, sir. Yes, screen.
Please share the screen, sir.
Screen not shared.
No, sir, it's
No,
not
sir.
visible.
Now you can see, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Progress or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now, when you go inside sections, we have different options. We have to know about those options. That we have to understand. Remember and understand, both are required. So what options are available in first section? What is the first section? Custom object. What options we have? How many options we have? How many options we have?
Main 4 options we have.
Four options. What are those? First one is
Label.
first label. Third one.
name.
Object name.
Fourth one.
Description.
And next one, record name, label, and format. How many options are there? What are
options.
the options?
Record name, data.
First record name, then
Data type.
Data type.
then
Default format.
Starting.
if it is text data type, how many data types are there?
Text
Oh.
and auto number.
If we select text, we get any options to enter. If we select
No
options,
Oh, sir.
we have to enter format and starting number. So this we have to understand internally what is the option and why we have to use that we have to understand. We have finished with 2 sections. Now third section is optional features. In optional features, we have 5 options. In optional features section, we have 5 options. Allow reports, allow activities, track field history, allow in charter group, enable licensing. Write down these 5 options. Allow reports, allow activities, track field history, allow in charter group, enable licensing. These are the 5 options available in optional features. Allow reports, allow activities, track field history, allow in charter groups, enable licensing. Done writing? Yes. What is meaning of allow reports? Did you see reports anywhere while using the application? Did you see? Where you saw reports? All of the reports. Hmm? ID or password? Why it is not? Huh? Which column? This one? How it came then? So when you go to any application, I am switching to Classic. Here you saw reports. Why we need reports? If we don't have reports, what happens? It is very important concept, reports. What is the importance of reports? Why we need to run report? Why report contains two. What are those two? Usually report contains numbers, right? Those are called statistics. And report will have some format, right? It can be tabular format or pictorial format or pie chart or bar charts like this. So this is a dashboard format. Report contains numbers, that is statistics. Format is a dashboard. Dashboard, when we heard of dashboard? During 2014 and 2019, we have one CM, dashboard CM. Who is he? Dashboard. Huh? Chandrababu Naidu, he is dashboard CM. Everything is on dashboard. Vizag street light working or not, he will see every day on dashboard. The dashboard gives format. In that format, we can see numbers, how many street lights are in Vizag and how many working, how many not working. If I am chief minister, I will not see the dashboard. Somebody will be there to take care of that Vizag street lights. No. He will take care as a CM of street lights. No need. Some other people will look after it. We should not do that kind of mistakes. That's why I tell I can give suggestions to CM and Prime Minister as well. We are only advisors. We cannot become. If you do like that, everything will go. Next 5 years, we will not be there. We should not do that kind of mistakes. So that is what reports and dashboards. Everybody need report and dashboard. When there is a business, if you are doing some business, daily what is happening? We need daily reports. How many people are coming into the organizations? How many people are buying the products daily, on daily basis? How many employees are there and how many are attending? How many are absent and how many are present? We need to know as a business owner. If we don't know that, we can't understand the progress of the business. I have to know how many students are coming here every day. How many are doing assignments? How many are not doing assignments? I have to know. If I don't know, then what is the use? You will pay fee and you will go home. Our client will come and sit here. I want students. I want employees. What I have to tell him? They are paying fee and going home. I don't have any students. Try in other institute. Same thing there also. If we don't monitor, if you don't have monitoring system on business or on our life, everything will spoil. In some organization, there will be micromanagement. They will track everything, whatever we are doing. When we are coming inside the institution or organization, what time we are entering. When we are taking break and going outside, every time we have to keep our fingerprint or ID card at the door. Why? They have to monitor. They are paying you. If they don't monitor you, you will come, you will give ID card to some other person, you will tell, okay, swipe it and while going at 8 or 6 o'clock, you swipe out. Why their organization is paying money? To whom they are paying money? They are paying money for our time and knowledge. So they should monitor. And even in our institution as well, I have to understand what you are doing. You are at what level? Whether you are working or not, by sitting here, if you play games in the classroom, what is the use? We are not in a degree or intermediate or 10th class age, right? We are already here and struggling our life to get into job. We should never open our mobiles or laptop, other things in the classroom. If you open, your time is wasted. Then I will tell, don't come, I will not return fee. Then I will tell, call your parents, I will give money. Only that solution I can do. Never do that kind of mistakes. Because we are keeping so many efforts. I want everybody to sit in comfortable chairs. That's why we bought these chairs with more like if these are expensive chairs, I can give normal chairs, 30 people can sit. I don't want to do that. I want to give comfort to you and sit properly, enjoy your Salesforce journey. Okay, do like that. Don't waste your time here. So everything we need to track that should be displayed in some format. That should come in dashboard. See, this is called dashboard. This is a pictorial format, right? In the dashboard, we can see numbers as well. Statistics and numbers we can see. This is called dashboard. And these are the numbers. Reports and dashboard we can see. That is the very important concept. Many companies will ask, do you have experience in reports and dashboards or not? If they have requirements for every organization will have a requirement, we need to understand very clearly reports and dashboards. Swapna will explain that. So here, when you are creating object, you have to allow, you have to tick mark this allow reports. If you check this allow reports, then only object data related to this object will come in reports and dashboards. Otherwise, it will not come. we have to check this allow reports. Then it will come in reports. Clear about this? If you have to select this option while creating object, now how to create object? How to create object? Setup.
To set up and search it.
Object manager. Create custom object. Here we can see allow reports. You have to select this. Then data related to this object will come in the report. Otherwise, report will not, in report it will not come. Next, allow activities. What is this allow activities? If you open any record, any account record you open, scroll down, open activities. What are these activities? What is meaning of these activities? Object manager. Go to object manager. Create new custom object. Allow activities, this option. Allow activities means here you can set reminders. You can set alerts. What kind of alerts? You can, in mobile, did you see create task, something like this, it will be there. Tasks will be there. Reminder kind of things. If you allow these activities, then only you can set reminders, alerts, and email alerts to this object. For example, now you have to pay insurance on 31st, on 1st of May or something. Organization has to send alert message to you, right? Automatically you will get that alert message. Somebody will not sit at computer and they will not send you. That software has been written to send alert message before 10 days or 5 days or 1 month. Every day they will send alert message. You have, your date is approaching to pay insurance. This is your due date. For credit cards, if you have any EMIs, mobile recharge, Geo, they will send from the 10 days, they will start. Otherwise, if you don't say after, before 7 days, they will tell your, if you call someone, they will tell soon your, what is that? Package is going to expire. To get rid of the torture, we will do immediately recharge. After that only it will start ringing. So that kind of alert message can be activated when you allow in the activities. If you check this checkbox, where is that? If you check this checkbox, then only allow activities will be done. Now, what is this track field history? What is this track field history? You have fields here, right?
Yes.
Here you have fields. This annual revenue is there. If you take bank, you have your credit and debit. How much amount is credited, how much amount is debited, and the present available balance. How is balance sheet? One side credited amount, one side debited. One side, available balance. Who, for example, last time what happened, one of our relatives, she has 50,000 in bank. She has 50,000 in bank. She went to withdraw money. She is in US from long time. She is not in India. She went to bank. She gave check for 50,000. Bank people said there is no balance. No balance. No balance and she is very confirmed. She is sure because they have some lands and Raitu Bandhu is coming. We know that. She has for sure money. She is not in India to withdraw that money. She came to India and she will withdraw that amount and she will go to US tomorrow. Before that, she went to bank and they were telling no balance. Then what bank people will do immediately? They will tell your check is bounced. Immediately, when they tell like that, I will mean hello. I will call you back. I don't know. My number is saved. So then they were threatening them. They were threatening in the bank. Then immediately they will call me. I am here to threaten them. Then I asked them when transaction has happened. Then they said, no, they are not telling. Then I said they will file case on you. Now on manager they will file case. They are going to police station. I will call SI and they will go to police station. They will file case on you. Then he asked, who are you? I said, my name is Mastan Reddy. That's it. Nothing. You don't need to know about me. First to give that 50,000 to them.
Balance is there on.
Not there. What happened? His cashier withdrawn that amount because this account is not operative for long time. He withdrawn that amount to cashier.
Bank cashier.
Yeah, we know that what will happen. Mainly internally they need to do. Externally they cannot do. Other person. If we go for our own amount, if something is changed our side, he will not give money.
Yes.
He will not give. Means I don't have bank accounts. I will go with Swapna check. He will call Swapna. You gave to him or he is signing. He came to bank to withdraw money. They will get that confirmation. But here they withdraw. I asked him what time the transaction happened. And I asked him, you have CC cameras in the bank. During that time, give that CC camera recording. 11:30 something he said, some date and 11:30. You give that CC camera recording to me. And he already understood. We know the subject. Then they were discussing and first initially they don't accept all these things. If you are knowledge and if you know the subject with the CM also we can do argument. With any authority we can do debate if we have knowledge. If we don't have knowledge, even we cannot argue with mad person on the outside. He will throw stones on us. Okay, knowledge is very important. Same Salesforce as well. If you have knowledge, they will give job. If you just come here and sit to go home, nobody will give job. So finally, what they said? They said with same name, other person is there. They withdrawn money. Means they created one story now. Because they know, they already understood about me. So they created the story and that too we want our money back. That's it. We don't need to do anything to them. I don't go to that level. Not interested. That is revenge kind of thing. We just give some class to them. That's it. When some old person or some elder person came, respect them. Why you argue with them? Like that I said, that's it. And next day they deposited, they credited back. And they said, so they made some story and the same name is there. It is not possible. How with same name, same signature will come, same passbook will come. They have created everything. And they sent WhatsApp that whatever transaction has happened, they have created and they sent. So like that it happens. To avoid that kind of things, same track field history will be there. For that field, we can track history. How much amount is deposited, on which date, with timestamp it will be, and who has done that transaction. If you do through ATM, there ATM transaction, ATM ID will be there. Did you see your ATM slip anytime? If you withdraw from Amirpet ATM, there will be, for every ATM, there will be unique identification number. They will give, at this ATM with this ID, at this time, this much amount is withdrawn, and this is the available balance. That is a track field history. And if you go to bank and if you withdraw with check, then cashier ID will be there. Cashier ID, cashier name, who has given check, who is the person issued check, and what is the check number, everything will be there. So we need to have track field history. So this track field history, we can activate for 20 fields per object. That is called governor limit. For 20 fields in a object, we can track history for the fields. Maximum 20 fields in a object. Here they have given in account object, there are some 30 fields. For 20 fields, we can track history. So to do that, in object while creating, you have to enable this track field history. Then only you can track. If you don't enable here, you cannot track. Where you can see the track field history? See, activity history is there. Like this, we get track field history. So we will see in the page layout concept when Swapna explaining, she will explain. Now I don't have chance, no time for us. That is about track field history. Allow in charter book. For example, if something is happened to this field, immediately in charter group that message will come. This field is modified with this value. This person has modified. The alert message will be sent to charter group. In charter group, record owner will be there. And fifth option is enable license. I don't know what is this. You ask Swapna, she will tell. If you want to see about that, go here and click on information. Indicates if this object is licensed by Salesforce and whether users require a permission set license for it. I don't know. I am understanding English meaning. Technically, I cannot explain what it is. I don't want to break my head now with that. I am already struggling with KCR tonic from last 2 days. If I think I have to go now, take something and come back. Like some heroes, they don't act without that kind of. I don't know. He is saying somebody's name. I don't know. Okay, next, object classification. When these settings are enabled, this object is classified as an enterprise application object. When these settings are disabled, this object is classified as light application object. What is enterprise application object? What is difference between enterprise application and light application? We will click on more and see. There are two kinds of applications they are saying. One is enterprise application and light applications. Till now I didn't read. Let us see what is that. If you understand, then it is okay. Otherwise, I will not tell. Every custom object is classified as either an enterprise application or a light application object. The difference between these two categories is light application object don't support sharing, access to the bulk API, access to the streaming API. If you need to track your organization use of each category, create a custom report type with by default, all custom objects are enterprise application objects. To make your custom object light application object disable. So if you don't select, did you observe here? All are by default selected. That means all custom objects. Are you creating custom object or standard object now? Standard
Custom object.
you cannot create. Salesforce has given. This is a custom object. When you are trying to create custom object, by default, allow sharing, allow bulk API access, allow streaming API access. These are selected by default. These are enabled by default. That means this is the enterprise application object. If you select this object details can be shared. When we use bulk API access, when we use streaming API access, if you want to integrate this application with third-party application, if you want to transfer this data from other applications, this Salesforce application to other application, or other applications to Salesforce application, you need to activate, you need to enable these three things. So enterprise application object always enables allow sharing, allow bulk API access, allow streaming API access. This is for sharing purpose, integration purpose. Every enterprise application needs integration because data you might get from some different applications. For example, now you have marketing, sales, and service clouds. Your organization is using only sales cloud. From where marketing cloud they are using, they might not be using Salesforce marketing cloud. They are using their own website, and from that website, they are doing some digital marketing through some other ways. Marketing cloud is used to do digital marketing activities. So they might use marketing cloud or they might not use. There is no guarantee that every organization must use marketing cloud of Salesforce. Other marketing ways they can use for marketing purpose. Why marketing cloud? To digital marketing activities can be automated by using marketing cloud of Salesforce. There are some third-party tools to do marketing. Understanding, Suman? Yeah. Means you kept to some different expression, I am thinking. Okay. With expression, I can understand something. Okay, Nazar Khan, everybody, Sangeeta, Swapna, everyone, online people, getting right my points. These are very important to understand, to attempt your interviews. This is not Pichu Vagudu. This is important Vagudu. Okay. So you have to remember that. Now, whatever the project we are working, consulting work, they are using only Sales Cloud. So marketing activities, that leads are coming to some other system. We are integrating that system with the Salesforce system, Salesforce application. Salesforce Sales Cloud application is integrated with some third-party system. We are taking leads from that system to Salesforce system. That time we need to have this object access to other third-party system, right? If you allow these options, you can integrate that system and you can get data from that system to our Salesforce system. Or else you can send this data from Salesforce system to other system. So that time you need to allow sharing, allow bulk API access, allow streaming access. What is meaning of streaming? OTT. Streaming. Don't watch OTTs now. During these 3 months, you will get disturbed. Yeah. Yeah. Live streaming we can watch because nobody cannot do anything in live streaming. Okay. OTTs don't watch those streaming. Recent movie by Rana, all Boothulu. Don't watch that. Don't get disturbed. That's why I will not watch movies. I am weak person. So don't watch OTTs now. Next, deployment status. That is clear for online people. Object classification.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Deployment status. What is this deployment status? 2 options are available: in development and deployed. In development and deployed. In development means we are creating this object. Still there is some work with this object. You cannot use it. Because when it is in work in progress, I want to do some changes to this object. I am creating, but still in the development status. If you say deployed means you can use this object. It is ready to use. If you store data, if you type something from the tab, it will be stored in the object. Well, this object is ready to store data. Next, search status. When the setting is enabled, your users can find records of the object type when they search. We have global search option here, right? On the top, third option, right? Here you can search for records. So this record is visible, right? If you allow search option, if you enable this option, then only your record will be visible in global search. Otherwise, your records, even though if you store records in the object, those are not allowed in search. Next, object creation options. This option you will get only first time when you are creating object. Once object is created, we can edit object details. Second time when you try to edit, this option will not come. Only first time you can see 7 options. Second time, if you want to do some changes to your object, if you can edit that object. That time this option you will not see. Only 6 options, 6 sections are visible. 7th section is not visible if you want to edit the object. Got it? This one. Now, how many options we are getting to create while creating the object? How many sections we are getting? 7 sections. Now I will click save. Now I will create object. Let me show you. So first I will explain this. Add notes and attachments. Scroll down and see notes and attachments are there or not here. Yes. While creating record, you can attach your Word document, PDF document, your assignment you are doing. If you automate our system, you need to have this option, right? You have to attach your documents. You can write something and you can attach here. So here, if you select this option, add notes and attachment, then only this option will come. Notes and attachments, otherwise it will not come. So to enable this option, if you want to get this option, you have to enable notes and attachments. That is clear, right? Notes and attachments. Online people, are you
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. This is to create a tab. If you want to create tab, you have to select this. When you select this and save, it immediately prompt to create tab. While creating object, is it mandatory to create a tab? No, it is not mandatory. Some object will not have tabs. That's why they have given this option. Without creating tab as well, I can create object. Now, if I want to create tab, what we have to do? We have to edit object and come here. If you want to create tab for that object.
No, sir. We have another options to create the tab.
Yeah. We have another option. If you want to create tab for the object, usually our psychology will be like this. Here it is showing 7 options. Now I can edit and I can come here. I can see 7th section we are thinking. I will think like that only. Because here it is showing 7 options. Here it is showing options to create a launch tab. I think like this only. If I don't know Salesforce, now I know, that's why I am able to understand. This option will not come later. First time only it will come. Now we are creating an object or not for the first time. Venkat Reddy, first time we are creating this object. Everybody understanding? Priyanka, getting na everybody. Vishal, Sudhanshu, everybody getting it. Ram, you are getting. Everyone, Balu, Abhijit, everyone getting, right? Vishnu, Dhananjay, all of you are understanding. Online people also understanding, right? What I am talking.
Yes, sir.
If you don't understand, you can stop me. I am like red bus, Palle Velugu. Not what is that bus? Garuda. No AC with me. Exhaust fan and fan. Okay, now we will create our object. Which object they want? Policy object they want, right?
Yes.
What label I have to give? Plural label? All of you are getting or just saying like that? Manpreet?
No, no, sir.
I don't know. I don't know. Start with vowel sound. What is this? Vowel means A-E-I-O-U. Consonants means A-B-C-D. A and B, C, D. How many vowels are there? A-E-I-O-U. Okay. I didn't learn that much English. Yeah, we'll try after this Salesforce sessions. So object name is policy. This is internal name, bedroom name. Outside we should not call, only internally, not in front of our kids. Policy. It is an internal name. Every object will have external name, that is label name and internal name. This external name is for end users and clients. This internal name is for only admins and developers. We can only see this. If you want to retrieve data programmatically, you have to enter this internal name, not this external name. It will scold. Idiot, what is this name? From where you got this name, it will tell. So whatever internal name is there, programmatically we can use that in the programs. After saving, it will come. Climax is after some time, not early. Okay. Wait, we have to wait. Description. It is to store policy details. I don't know this case sensitive help settings. I don't know. Don't ask me now. I am confused. If I know that, I don't know. Salesforce.com help and training window. Open a window in using Visual Codes. I don't want to discuss that. I am getting headache if I see that. So next one is enter record name, label, and format. This we have given and automatically came.
Yes.
It automatically came.
Yes.
So now record name is policy name. Automatically taken from object name. Data type also automatically selected. By default, it is a text data type and record name is by default object name plus name. Policy name. Automatically it has given. We have not done anything.
So we can change.
Now I want to give policy ID, not name. You can change it to auto number. So whenever you change it to auto number, it will ask display format and starting number. Then I will change this to policy ID. Because we need to identify, right? This record name is shown externally to the user. If you give policy name, if you keep like that only, he will enter text. Means he will try to enter, it will not show. But when we are displaying in detailed layout, how many layouts are there? Yesterday I have given quiz. How many layouts are there? Edit layout and detailed layout. Edit layout when we will get? While creating, we will get edit layout. While displaying, we will get detailed layout. If we give auto number in edit layout, we will get this option. Understanding? I will give policy ID and auto number. In edit layout, this option will come or not? Policy ID will come in edit layout or not?
No.
Sangeeta? We will get a policy ID. If we give auto number and policy ID, we will get in edit layout or not? Online people.
Yes.
Online people. Why?
No, sir.
Why no? Why no? Sangeeta, are you there?
Sir.
Yeah, we will get policy ID in edit layout or not? Edit layout means what? Now I am creating new record. Accounts. I am creating new. This is edit layout, right? Edit layout means while creating, we are getting it. When it will be detailed layout?
After saving the record.
100 seconds.
In the edit layout, we will get the policy ID, or in detail layout, we will get policy ID.
Detail layout.
Why in detail layout? Why will not get in edit layout? Understood? Everybody got it? Logic you miss, you got it? Manpreet? Priyanka, you got the subject? Auto number is auto number means what? Automatically generated by system. Text yesterday you didn't attend session, right? That's why you are not understanding. Text is a data type. We need to enter input. We have two kinds of layouts. Detail layout and edit layout. Edit layout we will get while creating the record. Once you save the record, you will get detailed layout. See account detail came. Here we have entered Sangeeta. Sangeeta for this account name, data type is text or auto number. That's why it asked input from the user. Only for auto number, it will not ask input. Getting? Huh? Got it? No, what confusion you have? Auto number is generated by system or not? If you give auto number, do we need to end user need to enter input or not? Client or end user will enter input? No. Auto number means what? It is generated by system. It will not prompt to enter input. Here you are selecting new. You are going to accounts and you are selecting new. This is a text data type. That's why it is allowing, asking, prompting to enter input. Text data type. We have seen two kinds of data type till now. Many are there. We don't discuss those things. Text data type and auto number. Text data type, user has to enter input. Auto number, it will not ask to enter input. Automatically generates. How it will generate? Based on the format we are giving here. Now I am giving policy ID. Auto number, it is asking format. How you want format? PID -00. I want 4 zeros, not a single zero. It is asking to enter format here. And it is asking to enter from which number you want to start. You want to start from 1, 10, 100, 1000. From where you want to start? You want 1 or 100? No, you tell your option. 100 you want. If I give 100, when I am creating record, what is the first number it will give now? Huh? Huh? Now I have given 4 zeros, you are giving 100. Starting number is 100. This is the format. Somebody typed, I don't want to see that now. Now I am giving format. Where is that record? I will check your answer. Now I am giving, no, this is not there. Don't see this. Don't see this. Now I am giving like this. I am giving 4 zeros. Now first record ID will be what? First PID will be what? Policy ID will be what for first record?
100.
First record.
0100.
0100.
First record. Which format we are giving?
ID.
PID will come or not? Then next.
0100.
Yes. Got Suman? Yes. For second record? For second record? PID will be there or not?
Yes, PID 0101.
So it keep on increasing like this.
The records are more than
Yeah, correct, Chandrakant. Huh?
if the records are more than 1000, then what will there are limited 4 numbers.
Now, how till which number it will come? Last record number will be what?
999. 099.
Huh?
010.
0999. 4 zeros we have given. That means till last record. What is the last record?
PID 999.
PID hyphen last record. If you are increasing number, you will go to object and you will enter one more zero here. Edit object and you will enter one more. Huh? Yeah, same. Yeah.
Then after 0, 0, 100. If you give 0, 5 there.
Yeah. 5 digits are allowed. If you edit this object, immediately 0 will be appended before. For till 4 nines, 0 is appended. That policy ID we are giving. We are giving this format, right?
Yes.
It is asking format. Even you can give without PID as well, you can give. But they are saying you have to give something. You have to give. That alphabet and combination of alphabet you have to give. Alphanumeric number this is. Employee ID, EMP ID should be added in the starting. It should be prefixed with some alphabet. Then you have to give number. Alphanumeric number. They are telling we have to do it. Some things we have to do in that way. Yeah, but it should be readable. Coding standards.
What is the limit?
I think till 18 digits we can enter. Might be. After that, 18 digits is too much. How much is total population all over the world? 7 billion, 600 billion or 7 billion? 700 million. 700 billion. Per billion, how many digits? 100 crores is 1 billion. 7 million means 700 crores. How many digits for 700 crores?
10 digits.
10 digits. 8 digits is 1 crore. Or 6 digits? 7 digits, 1 crore. 8 digits, 10 crore. 9 digits, 100 crore. 10 digits, 1,000 crores. For KCR properties, there is no limit. 18 digits we need for his property. Right now. And they are calculating like ghee. Not in money. Some 15 ghee packets or something. 15 kg ghee. Means 15 crore rupees. I will get some popularity. What will happen? I will get more likes in YouTube and Facebook. Everybody will search for me. I will tell I am teaching Salesforce. Everybody will know that. I don't need boards on road now.
After creation of object, we can edit
Yes, only that 7th option will not come. 7th section will not come.
These are completed, double and completed. So there is no, after that we can.
Sir, if we want to add the notes and attachments after saving the record, then how?
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, we are coming to that. I don't. Sangeeta, you asked me. I don't.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are coming to that point. Now you know this allow reports, right? Come here, Ram. That ghee subject we will discuss later. We will discuss ghee subject later. So much information is there with me. Sukesh released that chart. I have that chart as well in my mobile.
More than default format default.
Default?
If the format is 100, the triple zeros from this one. They are generating default means numbers.
Yeah.
What if we get more than they record? Yeah, we can edit the.
No, we have to save record, right? Now we have given 4 zeros. How many records we can generate now? 4 nines, right?
Yes.
When it comes to 10,000, it will say you don't have option. Your limit is over, it will say. Then you can go here and you can edit. 5 euros you can do. Huh? Yeah, when you are going to edit the object, 7th section will not come here.
Object creation option.
Yeah, last one.
Object creation option.
Object creation options. This option will not be available when you are editing the object. First time only it is available, right? See this. Yep. Huh?
What is the reason for disappearance of seven time?
So there is some other options to create tabs.
So, can we create an activity when like the number reaches 4 nines?
Can we create?
An activity like the limit is going to exceed like.
No, not like that. It will give, system will give notification. If you try to do that, so that is our coding standards. We are just practicing it in real time. It will not be like this. We will not give 4 zeros. There will be some other number. So we get so many. How many transactions we will get? How many transactions are being done through UPI in India?
18,000 every.
Huh?
Every second 18,000.
Then how many transactions? There we cannot give 4 zeros, right? Okay, now real time is different. They will mention, we have this many records will be generated. You have to give this many.
Provided for client.
Yeah, client, we discuss with client, right? While creating object in user story, we will discuss. How
Story present in Jira tool or
Jira. Only Jira. Service now Jira. Some Dhananjay might have used some other tool. Somebody used. Rohit has used. If you are working in real time, you must be using some tool. So allow reports, you know, I am allowing in reports, allow activities, track field history, allow in charter book. Licensing I am not enabling because I don't know that. In deployed, allow such I am giving. So Sangeeta, what you said?
After saving the record, like if I want to add notes and attachments
You
somehow.
can do it. For example, now I have created Sangeeta record, right? I can go and edit this record. Where is the adds notes and attachment? It will be there. We will see that. We can add. That option we will get. Let me check in Lightning. You can do that. Details, this one, it is showing details related. Here you can, activity is here. Upload files. Notes and attachments. You have to go to related list. It is a separate concept. We will understand it later. Yes, we can do Sangeeta. Got it?
Okay, sir.
So now I am doing this. I am not adding tab, or I will add tab now. If you don't add tab, you cannot create record. Because how you will create? User interface should be there, right? If I don't give this, I am not giving this, I will save. Saving. It is taking time. See, to come to climax, it is taking time. Your internet connection is unstable. If you are like this, if you are not stable, it is difficult. I have to change internet. Samskara IT, I will change. See, you got it, API name, __ C. After saving, we will get __ C. So by looking at this, you can say it is a custom object. So enable reports, track field history, track activities, all these things are enabled. Deployment status, plural label, you can see all. Hello. So now there is no tab. Can we see this tab? Can we see this tab? We have created object structure. Huh? Yes, where is it? We cannot see that.
Then we can add this to tab.
Which one? This, for this object, we have to create tab.
We need to go customize.
So now you have not created tab. See, policies are not available because we have not created tab. We didn't create tab, right? We have not selected that last option. Now I will go to object manager. Here, I will try to edit this. Go to last. See, 7th option is there. This option is available. 7th section is available while creating first time. Next time it will not be available. If you want to do that, you have to go to tabs option. In the setup, type tabs. See this? There are different types of tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Custom object tab, web tab, visual force tab, lightning page tab, lightning component tab, lightning page tab. Like this, 5 tabs are there. What is one more tab? Custom. What is this tab here? What is this tab? This is standard tab or not? Whatever Salesforce has provided, we call them standard. They are providing standard applications and we can create custom applications. They are providing standard objects, we can create custom objects. They are providing standard tabs, we can create custom tabs. Custom tabs can be created for what? Custom objects only. Custom tabs can be created for what? Custom objects only. For standard tab, you will create a custom tab for standard object.
No, you can default it.
No, how you will create?
You cannot delete it.
We cannot do anything. You can change this name. Rename you can do. Tab renaming you can do. But you cannot do anything for creation, you cannot do. For standard object, already they have provided. If some standard objects doesn't have tabs, that is different story. I don't know that story now.
Can we delete the standard object tab? They don't want.
You can hide, you cannot delete. We have customized this tab bar, right? There we have deleted or hidden. Hide only we have done, no deleting. For standards, we cannot delete. Any standard object or standard fields, we cannot delete. Standard applications, we cannot delete. We can edit, we can configure, we can customize as per client requirement. But we cannot delete. If it allow deletes, what is the use? Some things we cannot delete like in life. Yeah. You are taking me always to different world. Offline people, online people are sincere. They are not talking. I have to take more keys from you. From next time. So where we are now? So here we are not getting sixth option. If you want to create tab, you have to go to setup and tabs. There are 6 types of tabs. Standard tab for standard objects. If you want to create tab, there is custom object tab. This can be created by admin or developer. This is only for custom object. For custom object, you can create custom object tab. Now we have got requirement to create custom object tab for policy. Now, if I go here, there is some option it is showing new. Here it is showing new. If I click new, here, how many objects it will show now? In this tab, object none it is showing. If we select that, how many objects it will show?
All the custom objects which
All
doesn't
custom
have,
objects.
which doesn't have tabs.
Only custom object which doesn't have tabs.
Okay.
We have one custom tab here. What is the custom tab on this? Positions, custom tab on this tab bar. See what is
Positions, sir.
positions. That is created.
Products.
These are standard.
Remaining are standard.
Products are standard, sir.
Yeah, products also standard.
Yes.
Without product, how? In any business, product is important.
Can we remove the standard objects?
Huh?
Can we remove the standard tabs?
From where? From tab bar you can remove. You cannot delete. Removing means hiding. Features you can hide, features you cannot delete. Standard features you cannot delete. Whatever Salesforce has provided, that standard features we cannot delete. We can hide or we can customize, means renaming, that we can do. So here positions have position object or not. For positions, there should be position object, right? Internally. If position object is there, then only I can create custom object tab. Custom object tab. Custom object. Beside that tab is there means for custom object, we can create custom object tab. This is standard object tab.
We are creating new tab.
We are creating new custom object tab. Whenever we are talking, we have to talk clearly. Either custom object tab or standard object tab. Now we are creating custom object tab. This custom object tab is created, it can be created for only for the custom object which doesn't have custom tab, custom object tab. What is this custom object tab? My brain is going.
If it is like this,
100 times I spoke custom object tab, custom object tab.
position also custom object. Right?
Yes. For positions, there is a custom object called position or not.
Yeah.
Understanding? Online people?
Yes, sir.
For position, for positions, there is a position custom object behind it. Where you can check that position object now? How to check position object now? I want to see position object, where I can see. How you will identify it is a custom object?
It's under double underscore C.
See this? Underscore C is there or not? For this, you can create custom object tab. This is a custom object. For this custom object, you can create custom object tab. Object tab before custom. Custom object tab. What happened, Manpreet? So dull today. Birthday or what? Because but on birthday also he is telling classes what is this like. When is your birthday? November 13th or 30th? 30. Okay, I will tell birthday wishes.
You can, system, not a generator.
I want to talk to her. Why system? You are restricting me with system. With technology, you are restricting me to without communicating. You do for your people. I will not do. Okay. She will be in job by that time. She will not receive my call. Okay. Now for custom object, we can create custom object tab. Now I am trying to create custom object tab for position object. Can I do that? For position object.
No.
For position object, can I create custom object tab? Already it is available here. How I can create? Where is that? Here already available.
We can remove it.
How you will remove? You will delete this tab.
No, we can remove from the standard.
Removing is not hiding this.
Tab bar you can hide.
Okay.
From tab bar you can hide. Why you will delete? If client say we delete it, we will delete. We will ask him, are you sure? Are you mentally okay or not? We will ask him. After some time, we will say, why you deleted that? You will forget. We will discuss with him. It will ask confirmation. Now, here, for which objects will be displayed here now in this object, none it is showing. Which objects are displayed here? So which object we don't have custom object tab? Everybody is understanding or just saying? Okay. If you understand and tell me, it is okay. Because God is seeing. He can read our heart, our brain, our mind, everything he can read what we are doing. So remember, God is saying, tell me that you understood and telling position object or policy object. So only policy is available because only policy custom object doesn't have custom object tab. Position has only two custom objects we have in this arc. One is position and second one is policy. For position already custom object tab is available. It will not show here. Okay. Yes. Getting clear. Okay. Please get clarification. Yes, sir. Once you get clarification, you can work easily. Otherwise, blindly we can create it. Other institutions, they will tell directly create. That's it. They will show creating. They will not speak this nothing will be there. If you wagging, time is more. 5 months it will take. So understand it clearly. Anything you have to understand clearly. Without understanding, if you try, you will get rejections. For you, Tejeshwar. Understand everything and then do proposals. Okay. Not immediately next day. No, don't do. It takes some time to understand. Female. Nobody can understand. AI also cannot understand. Now it will tell something. After 1 minute, same report, it will give differently. In this world, only female we cannot understand. Anything we can understand. AI systems, nothing will work out. Okay, policy I am giving. For every object, you are seeing something here. For every navigation bar, if you go to any application, it is showing some tab style. If you select this, here see this icon. In Salesforce, this is very, very important. This icon it is showing here, right? If you go to accounts, it is showing book folder. Same folder will be shown in Lightning or different folder it will show. I will go to accounts. See this. It is giving some different. I don't know why it is giving like this. Now go to contacts. See this. See, it is showing some different. Why it is different? In which technologies a classic is there? Visual Force. This is in which technology? Lightning Web Components. So their icon is good or here icon is good? Here it is beautiful. There, morning after wake up, how my pies will be there. After 1 hour of waking up, bath and makeup, it show like this. Okay, that is with makeup. This is with makeup. That is without makeup. No difference because cream is different. Technology is different. There is no cream, face cream, so no touch up, so no, not there. Eyeliners, foundation, so. Huh? Tab? Whatever the tab style you have selected here while creating, where is that? Now I am selecting bank. Now this icon is there, na? See this. This will come. Write down description. So here you need to observe what screens we are getting. Step 1, enter the details. Yeah, we have to understand in real time, we must give description. Otherwise, people will come tomorrow, we will create and we will go to other company. Other person has to understand what is that. Those are custom coding standards. Choose the custom object for this new custom tab, fill in other details. So what options are available? First screen is step 1. Enter the details. Step 1 is enter the details. First screen. In that we have object, tab style, this custom link flash and description. I am removing remaining things without getting confusion. I am removing this.
What is custom link?
What is custom? I don't know. Flash page custom link. We can. Now we are creating, right? Yeah, that when you are creating with coding, that time LDS concept will come, lightning design system. There they have provided different icons. Swapna will explain how to load that icon. We can put our own icon. Salesforce has their own icons. Customer will tell this is the icon you have to put. We have to put. There should be all kinds of flexibility.
So we can create new tabs, right?
Yeah. With coding, everything is possible. These 4 options are available in step 1. Object, tab style, flash page custom link. I don't know what is this. Description. How many screens we will get by creating the tab? This question I have already explained. How many?
Four.
Next. Here we have to enter tab style, then enter description. This this is optional. I am not selecting that. What is here? Only none available. So this is to manage policy object, right? This tab is to manage policy object. Click next. Here what it is asking? Add 2 profiles. Yesterday I said about this. I know this will come now today. That's why I explained what is about profile. If you add this tab to profiles, which profile we have now? Which profile we have? Everybody, Priyanka, you understood this profile concept, you didn't come. So every day you have to come. Otherwise you will get confused. Swapna sessions, it won't be confused, but it is lengthy. 8 hours it takes to practice. I don't think, Manpreet, about that. Don't get scared. Okay, I am telling to Priyanka, not to you. Everything I will not tell to everyone. Profiles. Online people, you are clear, right? We have system administrator profile now. Now, this tab can be included to all profiles. Apply one tab is built to all profiles. Here different options are there. I am not explaining those options now. Default run for all the profiles. System administrator, where we are. Default on. Now, if we log into application, this tab will be visible. We have system administrator profile, right? For example, if you have silver partner user profile, even a silver partner user profile log into our org. Users can have only one profile. As a user, if you want to enter into any org, one org, you need to have profile and license. Profile and license, 2 things are required for any user. One user can have only one profile and one license. Multiple users can have different same profile. System administrator can have, system administrator can profile be for me and for you as well in the same org. Yes. Priyanka, no, don't worry. Again, Swapna will teach these things. Okay, don't get confused. Don't get scared of the sales tools. I am already fed up with this, all these things. I want to leave the sales force as soon as possible. So default on I am giving, I am adding this tab to all the profiles. Understood? Clear online people?
Yes, sir.
Online people
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yeah, clear.
Please, if you are not understand here, they are giving expressions, I can understand by looking at their faces. That's why offline is effective. So here, third screen is custom apps. Third screen is custom apps. What is this meaning? What is the meaning of this? Custom apps. So here they are displaying all the applications. Whatever the applications are available, all applications are displayed. Swapna Salesforce is there here.
Yes.
Swapna Salesforce sales application. We have customized this application, right?
Yes.
So whatever the applications are available, all applications are they are giving, and they are asking us this tab should be included in which applications. First time profiles is different. And next time they are asking, you have given to profile. Whoever having this profile, they can see this tab. Next time they are going to another level. What they are asking, profile is okay. System administrator profile is there for me, for Archana, for Priyanka, for Manpreet. And that application, same people with system administrator profile will have access for all the applications. It is a system administrator, we can have all the applications. But if it is a different profile, sales profile, even in the system administrator profile, we can restrict the access with the applications. Applications we can show.
One organization can have multiple.
Yeah, apps, multiple apps will be there. So the service, sales, marketing apps are there, and we have created, we have customized one application, sales application. We can create some custom applications.
Application nothing but a profile. Application is nothing but a profile. Both are same.
How both are same? Now we are giving, they are asking for one option for profiles. By using your profile, you can see applications, right? Profile at high level. Profile is at high level. Application is at low level. When you have that profile, whatever the applications are available in the profile, you can see that. Even as a system admin, you can restrict the application accessibility. You can remove access. Sales people will have access for only sales application, not a marketing and other applications. He might have same profile, but application access will be reduced to getting everyone.
The district people. In the application.
Now you can select the profiles. You can include in all the applications, or you can select the applications which you want. How you can do? You can remove this, and I want to give only for system administrator. Now, only some applications. Swapna Salesforce I want to give. Other applications I don't want to show this tab. I don't want to show display this tab. Now I am giving access to all the applications. I am selecting to all applications. Whenever you go to marketing application or sales application, this tab will be visible. Now positions are visible in marketing application, sales application or not. You are in the sales applications, position are visible. Service application, position is visible. For this also we have given for all applications. Understand this clearly. So now, how many screens we got? Only 3. How I come? It is I am saying so. Only 3 steps. That is correct. That erase it from your memory. 3 screens only. In tab 3 screens. Now you got this bank. You see. Now, if you go to sales application, can you see this tab or not? No? Who is no?
You can see. Sir, we have given access to only.
No, first I said I am giving. Next I included in all. Okay. Now, if you go to service application, refresh, policies came or not? Now I will create new record in policies. How many inputs it will ask?
One.
What input it will ask? Huh? Which field we have created? Name or something else? Policy ID we have created. Getting, recollecting. Priyanka, you got it right, Archana? Anybody, Vishal? You loved me or Salesforce? You love me more or Salesforce? Which one you are in love with? Both. Well, sometimes it happens, falling in love. After marriage also we can fall in love, but don't propose. Okay, now I am going to policies, clicking on new. So how many inputs it will ask? Huh? One, what is that? ID is auto number or it is input field. Then why it will not ask input? Understood?
Yes. Automatic generate.
Then how to create this field, sir?
Why you will create? It is a auto number. You have said this is the format, this is the starting number and this is the ending number, right? You said this is the 0, how much? 100 you said? Yeah, 100 is the starting number. 4 zeros are the highest number in this format. If you select create new, online people, online,
Yes, sir.
you are getting right?
Yeah, yes. Sir.
Will it ask any input now? It will ask any input?
No, sir.
No, doubtly or sure.
No, sir. It will not ask any.
See now, it is asked.
No, sir.
It is showing owner field only it is showing. Owner field it is showing.
Yes.
So how many fields we will get now? Once we save, how many fields we can see now?
5 fields.
5, how, who said 5 fields? I said. Who said 5 fields?
I said, sir.
You know. Did I say to anyone? I said in yesterday class or day before yesterday class. I said there are 5 standard fields. Did you recollect it? I said or not? I remember.
You said, sir.
I said 5 standard fields will be there. I said. I did not say what are those. Out of those, owner is one of the standard field. Owner is one of the standard field. I said there will be 5 standard fields for any object. Either it might be standard object or custom object. Now I will save. This is the edit layout, right?
Yes.
I will save this. How many fields I can see? After saving, how many fields we will see?
Only one.
5.
5.
Yes.
One policy ID.
How many fields are visible here? What fields you are seeing here? What are those fields?
Policy ID created by owner, last modified by.
And one more field is there, standard field. Where is that?
User.
Record name.
Record name is policy ID, right here?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
And one more field we are seeing.
On
Balakrishna.
the,
My
oh,
ID not
on the URL, sir.
huh?
On the URL.
In the URL, you can see one field. Where is that?
Yeah. Like last,
A012
W, yes. That is record ID, no, sir.
Yeah, this is record ID.
Yeah.
Every record will have record ID. This is the record ID. After record ID, record name. Write down this. This is very, very important. Record ID. Record name. Record name is what here? After that, data type. What is the field here? After record name, owner. Owner. Next, created by. Last modified by. Got it? What are the 5 standard fields? Our records are identified with unique record ID. It is of 15 digits in classic. How many digits in lightning? If you go to lightning to the same record, can you see that record now in lightning? Where is that policies? Can you see same record in lightning or not?
Yes.
If you go to, what is that? Where is policies? I click the more.
I think you have not entered this personal remaining application.
This one.
Now it will be good.
I don't know why it is not showing there.
That means you have not entered the Swapna Salesforce. Remaining things you have entered.
We have done, I think so, for all. So now, if I open this, how many digits it is showing? How many digits are here count?
From where we need to plan.
How many digits here?
18 digits.
In lightning, record ID is 18 digits. In classic, record ID is 15 digits. Very important. Record ID is 15 digits in classic, 18 digits in lightning. Everything we can access through record ID.
There was 19 digits.
Lightning,
18 digits. 18.
Classic 15, Lightning 18 digits. So here date and time also coming for last created by, last modified by. Say this. So we will discuss more about the standard fields. And this is very interesting and important concepts to understand. Blindly, we should not do anything. We have to understand and we have to do it. All of you are clear about these 5 standard fields. These 5 standard fields are mandatory. While creating the object, how many screens we are getting? While creating the object, how many sections we have? In each section, we have different options. How many options are there in first section? First section, second section, third section. What is third section? How many are there? 5 or 3? And fourth section? Deployment section. Fourth section is what? Fourth section. Third section. Optional features are 5. Object classification. So enterprise, object and lightning. So in that 3 options are there. Next, how many options? Next, how many? After that last, how many? So you have to visualize like this, not seeing in laptop or book. If you are visualizing in this way, you can easily get job in Salesforce. Priyanka, are you getting, means whatever I am explaining, you have to study in that way. Okay. And don't compare you with other people. Everybody is same. Don't compare with me especially, you will get all bad ideas. So many we have seen in life. Okay, all bad things will come. Okay, now, how many screens I will get while creating tab?
3, 4.
What? 3 or 4?
3.
I have corrected. First I said 4, I have corrected 3. What is the first screen? How many options are there?
4.
What is that? Description. Add to profiles. We have to include in the all profiles. 2 options we are getting. We can customize it. We can add to required profiles or we can include in the all profiles. And add to custom apps. Those are the 3 screens. You understand what is app, what is profile, what is tab, what is object. Clear, right? Now we are coming
Yes, sir.
to fields. We have 5 standard fields. First one is record ID. Second one is record name. Third one is owner. Fourth one is created by. Fifth one is last modified by. So remember till this point, and I will give questions on this. You have to finish assignments and quiz on the same day. Same day you have to complete. If you don't complete on some day, you cannot complete further. Because we will not get any breaks. You have to attend 100% live sessions. Whatever I said till now, Swapna will explain again. Tomorrow session is at 8 o'clock, online people. 8 to 10. You have to bring box. Tomorrow from 8 to 6, you have to stay offline people. Not for Manpreet. Oh, Saturday you can come Manpreet.
Yeah, I can stay.
Yeah, you have any other works? Okay. Tomorrow, 8 to 6, we have to practice. Sitting, we have to practice first. Okay. Try to pay fee tomorrow or day after tomorrow by Monday something. Okay. Because we have to generate enrollment numbers. So once enrollment numbers are generated, we will get one progress report book. Every day you have to fill it. Otherwise, Rajni will not allow you to classes. Okay. Salesforce is easy. Don't worry. Priyanka, it is easy. Okay. Any person can learn and I am teaching Salesforce. Anybody can do it. For me, very difficult to sit like this. My profession is not sitting, roaming. Okay.
Also record ID in plan.
What is?
Record ID in plan.
It is a 15-digit numeric, alphanumeric number. Unique identification number per record.
You are
Huh? This record ID is unique identification number. In Classic, it is 15 digit. In Lightning, it is 18 digit.
While searching records, we can use the ID.
Yes. Programmatically, if you want to search for records, record ID no one knows. Only programmer, only admins and developers.
Active profile.
Hmm.
Active profile.
Profiles.
We have lot of profiles, but we have not selected.
All profiles we have